Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, do you want to speak in English fluently and confidently but you have a problem? Like you have no one. You are not living in an area where English is spoken. So because of this reason, you are not able to speak in English fluently and confidently. But my dear friend, in this video, I am going to share with you wonderful application. And with the help of this application, you can easily be speaking English fluently and confidently in front of the public. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. So friends, in today's video, I'm going to share with you wonderful application. Okay, I have shared this application in my previous video. If you haven't watched my previous video, don't worry. Again in this video, I'm going to share with this application because this is a demand. This is a demand that ma'am, please make a video on this app again. So that's why I am making a video on this topic, on this English conversation practice topic. Okay, so this AI application name is English Conversation Practice, and this is a video for the beginners. For the beginners, they don't know how to work on it, how to speak in English fluently, how to use some sentences in our daily conversation, how to speak with someone. They don't know. And the people who are in this intermediate level, they can figure out their problem according to their level. But the main problem for the beginners, they don't know about how to work on it, how to enhance our fluency. So that's why again in this video, I'm going to share with you this wonderful application. So for this application, what you need to do, you need to just download this application on your mobile phone. So for this, you have to first go to the Play Store and write English Conversation Practice. Write English Conversation Practice. So I have already downloaded this application on my Android phone. Okay, so you can see the logo. This is a logo. I'm going to open this application. Okay, so English Conversation Practice, it takes some time. After opening this application, you can see categories. So many categories like trips and vacation, eating related topic, family and friends, talking about kids, daily life, sports, music and events, US holiday, nature, school, shopping, special days, work related. Oh my god, so many categories, and each categories you can see so many conversation. Okay, so your problem like, ma'am, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, and how to choose a topic for discussion, how to choose a conversation for practice English speaking skill. Don't worry, here this application will solve your problem. So now I'm going to show you how to use this application. So I'm going to give you a demo. So that's why I'm going to choose school. Okay, so I'm going to choose this category like school. After choosing this category like school, you can see subcategories: a school project conversation, a school project conversation, project field tips, okay, reports कार्ड कन्वर्सेशन, ग्रेड खराब हो गया. ओके, सो ग्रेड्स कन्वर्सेशन, मान लीजिए आपका ग्रेड खराब हो गया, तो इस पे से भी आपको कन्वर्सेशन करनी है. सो हाउ टू डू दिस कन्वर्सेशन? तो आई एम गोइंग टू ओपन ग्रेड्स कन्वर्सेशन. ओके, so after touching this grades conversation, it takes some time for open. So yes, you can see talking about bad grades. Okay, so when I open this category, so you can see on the top there is 3 options like listen, quiz and practice. So first, what you need to do, you need to just listen the whole conversation very carefully. If you haven't understand, don't worry. Listen this application minimum 5-10, it's up to you, but listen very carefully. All the thing like pronunciation, intonation. Okay, so I'm going to show you demo. So first I'm going to touch listen.
Hey, Dave, did you get your report card? Hey, Jack. Yeah. How did you do in math? I did well. How about you? I didn't do too well. I failed the class. How? What happened? I think I failed the final exam. I'm sorry to hear that. What are you going to do? I have to take the class again during the summer or I can't graduate. Are you serious? That's terrible. I was supposed to go on a vacation with my older brother. We were going to go to Europe, but now I won't be able to. I don't have any plans for the summer. I can help you if you need it. Thanks. That would be nice. Do you know when summer school starts? I think it starts at the end of June. That's right after regular school ends. I know. I won't have much time to enjoy my summer, but I need to graduate. Don't worry. I'll help you.
So after listening this whole conversation very carefully, okay, what you need to do, you need to just go to the quiz section. So I'm going to touch quiz section. Okay, here you can see question like how did Jack do on his report card. जैक अपने रिपोर्ट कार्ड में उसने क्या किया. हाउ डिड जैक डू ऑन हिज रिपोर्ट कार्ड. ही फेल्ड हिज मैथ क्लास. He got straight A's. He did not get his report card. He verily passed his card. So I am going to touch he failed his report card and check. Okay, this is correct. Okay, so and after that you can go to the next question. So I'm just show you how to use this application. Okay, now we have to go practice. Okay, after listening and after giving your answer, now you have to go on part practice, because this is the our motto. We want to improve our fluency, so that's why we have to go practice. Okay, while practice you can record your voice. So record. Okay, so I'm going to start recording. Okay, so if you don't understand how to use, you can easily repeat your conversation. Okay, and you don't think about any sentence, you don't think about any words, because here all the sentence already written in this you can see in this mobile. So don't worry about this. First you have to practice how to pronounce the word, how to speak in English. Okay, so yes, this is a very good I mean to say this is very good app. You can use this app and record and enhance your fluency. So after using one character, choosing one character, you can go to the second character. So I'm going to touch second character. Okay, Dev, and record, start recording. Hey Dev, did you get your report card?
Hey, Jack. Yeah.
How did you do in math?
I did well. How about you?
I didn't do too well. I failed the class.
How? What happened?
I think I failed the final exam.
I'm sorry to hear that. What are you going to do?
I have to take the class again during the summer or I can't graduate.
Are you serious? That's terrible.
I was supposed to go on a vacation with my older brother. We were going to go to Europe, but now I wouldn't be able to.
I don't have any plans for the summer. I can help you if you need it.
Thanks, that would be nice.
Do you know when summer school starts?
I think it starts at the end of June.
That's right after regular school ends.
I know I wouldn't have much time to enjoy my summer, but I need to graduate.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
After completing your conversation, you can record hear your voice.
Hey Dave, did you get your report card?
Hey, Jack. Yeah.
How did you do in math?
I did well. How about you?
I didn't do too well. I failed the class.
How? What happened?
I think I failed the final exam.
I'm sorry to hear that. What are you going to do?
I had to take the class again during the summer or I can't graduate.
Are you serious? That's terrible.
I was supposed to go on a vacation with my older brother. We were going to go to Europe, but now I wouldn't be able to.
I don't have any plans for the summer. I can help you if you need it.
Thanks, that would be nice.
Okay, so in this way you can easily record your voice and you can practice in English, and it's up to you. So if you want to give so much time, then use this application. This is a wonderful application. With the help of this application, you can easily improve your fluency, you can easily improve your pronunciation way, and also you can know some conversation, how to do conversation in English. You can know some sentence structure, how to use some words in a sentence. Okay, sentence construction, so you can easily know with the help of this application. And believe me friend, you don't need to search any conversation for any discussion topic. There are so many discussion, there are so many conversation. Use this application. This is a wonderful application, and it's up to you. You just play double role. First you choose first character, and then after completing first character you can go and choose another character. Okay, in this way you can easily improve your fluency. Believe me friend, this is a wonderful application. Use this application. You don't need to give so much money for this application. You don't need to go for anywhere in an English country for learning this language. This is a free and cost application, and you can use this application according to your timetable. If you get some time in a night, in a evening, in a morning time, then use your time according to your situation, your area situation. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.